Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to find the recent players that you played with on your PlayStation 4. So I'm just on the home screen right now. I want to go up to where it says Friends right here and select this. Now you're going to have a few options on the left side of the screen. We want to go to where it says Played Together right here. And this is going to load. Now it currently just doesn't say what game you're in. Sometimes it actually will. So it just says met in a game, and I think I was playing Call of Duty Warzone. Maybe that's why it says this. But we can find everyone kind of like in the lobby that was on a PlayStation 4 or a PS5. So we can go to their name now, we can add them as a friend, and we can select their profile. Maybe we want to send them a message, or if we want to try to invite them to a game. So we can go to send friend request, then we can go to send message. Now, there is no direct way to invite them to a game on the PlayStation 4. We would have to do that in the game, but we can go to chat and party, and then we can have them join via the party. So we can do that. Otherwise, what we could do is go back to the game, and many games have options for like a recent players or a friends list. So here's Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2. If I press options, and this is probably going to be similar in Fortnite and Apex, but we can go to the friends list or the social tab right here. Then on the top we can press R1, and here is recent players. So we can also find people on different platforms as well. So here's this person, the top G. We can go to their profile and we can invite them to a party from here or send them a friend request. So just figure out a way to get them into your party and send them an invite or whatever you want to do. Send them a message, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixTech.